Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are discussing the topic is smoking of grade 7 with Oxford syllabus and the chapter number 5 fit and healthy. Smoking actually kills around about 5 million people every year, and it is because of the tobacco smoke. Tobacco smoke or any type of smoking involves in it. What are the harmful chemicals in the smoking? First of all, we find the nicotine. What is nicotine? Nicotine is actually the element found in smoke. That may be the tobacco smoke, in which due to which a person can become drug addict. Okay, nicotine is affecting our heart and blood vessels and our nerves, and a person who is having the tobacco smoke cannot live without that smoke because of nicotine. So next one is the tar. Tar is present inside of our lungs, and when a person do smoking, look at this, when a person do smoking, then this smoke cool down in the lungs and it affects the walls of the lungs. And here we have the alveoli are the small structures present in our lungs, and the smoke affecting the alveoli, and it may cause the lung cancer. The next harmful chemical present in tobacco smoke or smoking is carbon monoxide and ammonia and cyanide. What is the harmful chemical carbon monoxide do? Carbon monoxide is actually the poisonous gas, as you know. And what is its demerits? Actually, carbon monoxide prevents blood so that oxygen can't be carried out throughout the body. When oxygen is not carried out, then body functions are not done properly. Then other gases such as ammonia and cyanide, they are also the harmful chemicals due to the smoking. Ammonia and cyanide, they irritate the air passage, and the smokers are mostly do cough. What are the diseases caused by the smoking? Smoking caused many diseases, such as most of familiar of them are lung cancer or the mouth cancer. And next we have emphysema and bronchitis. Emphysema is actually is caused by the tobacco smoke, and in this alveoli are destroyed, and when alveoli are destroyed, the lungs surface area becomes smaller. What are the functions of alveoli? Alveoli are the small bag like structures present in our lungs, this type of structures. And alveoli are the smallest structures through which air passage or the air transfer is done. And when the alveoli are destroyed, then the surface area of the lungs become smaller, and then it caused emphysema. And next we have bronchitis is caused by the tobacco smoke. And how? When we have the teeny hair like structures that are called cilia present in our lungs, and that cilia are responsible for the cleaning of our heart, or in cleaning the inside of our lungs. And when that tiny hairs or cilia, they are destroyed by the tobacco smoke, then lungs become infected. Then lungs become affected by the attacking bacteria, and this causes bronchitis. Now we have the test yourself of this topic. List 4 harmful things found in tobacco smoke. You can answer it. One of them is nicotine, tar, carbon monoxide, and the fourth one may be the ammonia or cyanide. Explain why smokers find it hard to give up. It is because of the nicotine. Nicotine make them drug addict. Explain why smokers often get bronchitis. Smokers get bronchitis because the smoke affect the hairs or the cilia that are responsible for the cleaning of lungs. Name 2 other diseases caused by smoking. Smoking caused emphysema, smoking caused bronchitis, it may cause lung cancer or cancer of mouth. You can write any one of them. Thank you.